Pay attention for a moment. So we're going to push the deadline on this project back for a week, okay? Because what we're seeing here is just, I hate to say it, but most of what I'm seeing is abysmal. It is definitely not the quality of work that I would expect a third or fourth term student here to be doing. So in light of that, there's going to be several requirements that are going to be imposed upon you for this Thursday. So for starters, this Thursday you shall bring your site model with that type of swale. See the little swales that I've done? So that type of swale needs to be cut down at least halfway down the model. If you're worried about the lower half changing, fine. But at least halfway down, I want you guys to actually cut the swales. Okay? Now, you guys are to select two of the formal methods that you guys have learned in design 1 or design 2. Okay? And you are to come back with models that are the right size. Okay? You're to come back with 3 iterations of each of the 2 formal methods in the character of what I showed you guys how to do in class today. Now when I held that model over top of the other model, you guys could see it was the same size. When I put it next to it, you could see it was the same height. But it didn't look anything like it. Okay? So I'm asking you guys to come in with 3 and 3 of 2 of the formal methods that you guys of your choosing. And the models should take you, each model should take you about 30 minutes to do. Okay? I think I did both of those models in probably about 15.
So if you would just do the chef, so we don't need to arrange the room inside, or we just do the chef?
You're going to use your existing design as the room arrangement.
But can we just do it like this? Is this okay?
Only if you have the other model that goes with it and they match.
Okay.
So the question that was asked is, can you just do what I did? Yes, you can do what I did, so long as you have the other model and floor plans that show me that that shape will fit your current design with a little bit of modification. It has to be the right height. It cannot be 20 times as high or 5 times as high or 3 times as high. It needs to be plausible. You need to look at one, look at the other, and say, yep, that will fit right there, no problem. You are to come back with all of your drawings, floor plans, and sections. You're to come back with your binders with everything in them. And you are to come back with glue and model making materials. Plenty of different kinds of model making materials so that we can give you a critique and have you point you in directions. Okay? Yes?
For the thing, do you want us to have one of the new iterations or just the original?
Nope, just the originals. We are not working on the computer after this, right? We're going to basically work by hand. Unless you want to use like an unfolding technique or something for boxes or something. So you need to bring sketch paper. You need to bring pens and paper. And you have to have all your drawings here. If you don't bring that stuff back, there's no way to give you a critique. Okay? Any questions? All right. That's it. We're going to release class right now. You guys can go buy materials. Look who just walked in. Joe walked in. You guys can go buy materials. You guys can start working on your iterations. Whatever you need to do. If you want to get any input from Hero and I, we'll be right here.